Good morning. It's Friday again, which means that it's another day in Grandma's garden, but before I can... Sorry, there's a very loud blue jay. Wow, beautiful. Before I can go to my grandma's, I wanted to show you an update on the balcony garden because I feel like I have not been showing you guys this, so I just want to show you what I have going on here. First, I've got my marigolds mostly marigolds, and then delphiniums in the back row that I've got over here. All of them have started budding. This one's starting to open up and it is looking beautiful. I love the yellow color. Then I've got my tomato plants down here in these planter bags. I just planted the strawberries in this vertical planter last week and I already have runners, so I established the runners in these berry cups. And over here are the plants that I bought from Earl May last week. I love these beautiful pink flowers. This one, not doing so hot, but that's okay. This beautiful marigold, this celosia, I think that's how you say it. And then this plant here had some beautiful purple on it. It's a little bit dried up, but I'm hoping it'll come back to life here. I realized that these two containers, I had thought I had my garlic in, and there was stuff starting to grow in there, but I discovered that they were weeds as well. So I did some digging and there was no trace of the garlic. So I'll have to do something different or try that again in the future. Back here, I need to tear out this spinach because it has bolted. This lettuce is still going. That lettuce, the little Jim variety lettuce is my favorite. We've got plentiful cilantro and green onion back there. So that's the overview. And I'll catch up with you again when we get to my grandma's here in a little bit. Okay, it's Friday, so we're back in the garden at grandma's, and I just want to give you a look around before I start doing more things. But here is the overview. We definitely have some cantaloupe between all these weeds that I'm definitely gonna have to pull. We've got cantaloupe growing now. We also have a ton of good looking bean plants. Onions still going strong over here. This row is not doing so hot, but this one is starting. The kale and the spinach. Potato plants. Peas. More peas. And then our tomatoes and peppers. I brought more tomatoes and more peppers, so that will be what I'm planting. The tomatoes that I had started from seed are not looking as hot, but that's okay. We've got plenty. What, Mom? Okay, I told him he should just start with water and soap, and if that doesn't work for him, then we'll figure something else.
And then we can go get some alcohol.
Yeah.
We can go uptown.
Okay, so here's the tomatoes that my grandma ordered. I guess she ordered a tomato Brandywine Pink Heirloom. Tomato Better Boy Hybrid. And then, Cherokee Purple Heirloom tomato. So we've got those. I brought some yellow ones. I'll grab those. Some tomato Sun Sugar Cherry tomatoes, and then vivacious slicers. These are both yellow. So we're gonna add these to the row. We have Champion, 2 Romas, a space here, my cherry tomatoes, and I brought 2 yellows and she has 3.
What's in the middle?
Those are peppers, and there's gonna be 2 more peppers are gonna go next to it. So these are Anaheims, and then there's gonna be snack peppers, like the ones Dad likes. And then theoretically there should be carrots here.
Yeah, I didn't see any carrots. They're just a little, they're like grass. They look like grass.
Yeah, I don't see.
Because I don't know if we're ever gonna get a fence or if we need to use something different.
I don't know, but my line is kind of wonked. And then we've got those 2 as well.
Yay, meters.
I see we have some cantaloupe.
Yeah, I saw a couple.
All right. Putting in my last snack pepper. What's up, boss? Oh, can you hand me that hand shovel thing that's by that box? Thank you. Are you done painting?
What?
Are you done painting?
No.
Oh.
Paint's gotta dry.
Oh, did you do the black coat?
Yeah.
Whatever. Did you
They wanted the whole thing black.
Yeah, the whole thing, and then the whole thing, that color stuff.
I have to paint some white dots for the eyeballs.
Oh. I guess that's a good point. I wonder what it looked like before. I don't remember.
Yeah, I have a picture. So.
Oh. I meant like before it got ruined.
Oh.
But that too. My grandma has this peacock, and we don't have a before picture. Maybe we do, but it looked really bad. It was dirty and gross, and he painted it black, and then he's gonna spray paint it with this other spray paint. But let me see the can. It's like a really fun color. He already started it. It's gonna look so good. All right, I've got the new tomato plants in the ground here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I pulled out one of mine. Got one of mine that I started from seed because it wasn't looking very good, so we've got 2 left of mine. Then my uncle put in these posts so that we can put in some fence once we get it, to trellis the cantaloupe and the tomatoes. I also put in 2 new pepper plants. So the peppers were gypsy variety peppers, so they're sweet pepper snacking. Put them in between my Anaheims, and I pulled out one of my Anaheims because it had been chewed on. So also pulled out some of the weeds, so things are looking a little bit better between the kale and this variety of lettuce. It looks like the bunnies or something have been eating the lettuce that should be in this row. As you can see, there's like 1 and 1 over here, but between that, everything else is gone. So I don't know if we should replant or just let it be what it is. That can't be right. That must be a weed. I feel like we need to get this out of here. Get gone. Oh, the garden looks so good right now. I'm excited to see what it'll look like once we get our cattle fences up on these posts. Once we find them, we first have to find some that aren't too massive. We're adding the cranes to the garden. I wanted to take the time to show some of the work that we did today. So it was me and my mom and my aunt and my uncle, my boyfriend and my grandma, and we were all out here today, and grandma was supervising us as we cleaned out a bunch of garden beds. But now I kind of just want to take you on a tour of some different areas of the yard. The iris. Are these grape? Ah, yes, they are grape. I love the smell of grape iris. Smell that. It smells like grapes.
Smells like a grape.
It does smell like a grape. Grandma and her fireball flags. What does it say?
Fireball.
May not be the answer, but it's worth a shot. That's classy.
Come on, come on.
We're taking our garden tour. Here, let me
Where do you want to go?
turn around. Whatever, tell me what you want pictures of. I'm just gonna video the whole thing, but tell me what you want pictures of.
Oh,
I'm gonna.
well, I did.
Pastas look so good. What, Mom?
We could do this. Okay.
The peacock will be a good one.
You stop for that one? Or?
No, it's okay. Keep rolling. That looks so good. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go up to this one.
Okay. Oh, he fell off.
Oh, he jumped off.
Up to where?
Up here. We need to probably clear some of that out.
We still need to do that
Yeah,
side.
we need to do that side. That's the bad side.
It's got a lot of leaves in there. That's gonna be fun to clean out.
That one. It will be really pretty later.
What is it?
It's hibiscus.
Oh,
Those big flowers.
oh, I love those.
Okay, we're gonna go around this one.
I thought I remember there being a hibiscus there.
Oh, these are pretty too.
Ooh, wow, those are really pretty. Like it. Oh, those just both are iris? No, what's the
Yeah.
white one? It's not iris,
Yeah,
is it?
I think it's just another kind of iris.
Oh, I've never seen that kind before. As we continue on this tour, I thought now would be a good time to share a funny little story from the day. So my grandma has this beautiful gazebo that my uncles built many years ago, and we like to sit in there and hang out, and so do the birds. So there's 2 birds' nests in there currently. One of them is for robins, and one of them has sparrows in it. And as we were sitting there having a conversation, one of the robins just flew, well, more like fell, out of their nest and onto my grandma's shoulder and stayed there for a few moments, and I just thought this was a precious memory to capture. Okay, back to the tour.
You might hit some tree branches.
Oh boy. This is a journey. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Right on.
Forgot you didn't have your.
I don't have any hands. Oh, can we go past the deer?
The what?
The deer?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, here's the tree. Did you already have a picture of the tree? You already have.
but you can. I did.
Okay. I'm gonna zoom in.
So you may turn it.
Yeah, just keep rolling.
I'm gonna go this way.
Okay. I love this tree. It's so pretty.
I don't think there's much back here that's blooming right now. There's some white, and that's about it.
Okay.
Let's see.
Where are we headed to
Some
next?
white. That's about it. There's mostly just white, and then over. I guess there's a little. That's. They froze. So.
Oh yeah. That's too bad.
There was a tree here. It's gone.
Wait, is that what they just took out
Yeah.
today? Oh yeah. They got it down to the ground. That's impressive. What tree was it? That was the bad one?
It was dead.
Gotcha. Yeah, that is a mess for another day.
But there are some roses blooming.
Oh yeah.
The wild roses.
Oh, that means there's gonna be thorny stuff in there when we clean it out. Gross.
I don't know that there's much. This is, we gotta make sure we keep this tame, but it looks pretty good so far.
Yeah. I want to put grapes back on that. What a good tour. I love this thing. They're cute right there.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. A crocodile. Can't move that way. We'll get that. We'll make that better. Right on. Is that everything?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, it's a long time later. I'm back from my grandma's. And I just wanted to show you. I've already showered. I was so dirty I had to get the dirt off of me. But I just wanted to show you what my uncle brought me. Look at all of these strawberry plants. I am so excited to get these planted out in the rest of my planter. I might even have more than what my planter can fit, which means potentially I'm gonna need to get another planter. I want to get rid of this one because it's just not, get rid of it or use it for a different purpose, but it's just not the best. This, on the other hand, is extremely high quality and I have high hopes for it. So fill this up with strawberries and then potentially get something else to put strawberries in. Or I could put them in there for now until I get something better. But with already having runners from the plants that I had bought, we're definitely going to have plenty of strawberry plants now. And I'm very, very pleased about that. Whoa. We have another flower opening up over here. Sorry, not the focus, but hard not to make note of these beautiful changes that happen every day in the garden. Anyways, we got a lot of stuff done at my grandma's and it was a really great day and I'm just very pleased. So I hope you enjoyed the video and please like and subscribe if you'd like to follow along to see what updates we do next week in Grandma's garden and how these strawberries turn out in my planter.